In today's video, I'll be sharing one of Neville Goddard's profound lessons on harnessing the power of imagination to manifest your deepest desires. Make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, and you'll gain a clear understanding of how to apply this remarkable technique. To begin, it's crucial to internalize several key concepts. Firstly, recognize that you are inherently a manifestation entity, bearing resemblance to the Creator. Furthermore, understand that the essence of the divine resides within you, signifying that you need not beseech external forces, for you hold a divine essence within. While this may initially sound audacious, embracing this truth unlocks the wellspring of creative and manifesting potential within you. This distinction marks the divergence between supplicating from a mindset of scarcity and invoking prayers infused with trust and creative prowess. Across the ages, we've been conditioned to believe in a God who bestows blessings exclusively upon those who offer prayers in specific forms. The notion persists that one must adhere to particular codes of conduct to earn entry into the realm of the divine. Let it be abundantly clear, there exists no punitive deity that discriminates among individuals. The most profound gift bestowed by the divine upon humanity lies in the freedom to lead one's life and exercise personal will. God refrains from direct intervention in your journey. The autonomy of free will is your birthright, reflecting your divine essence and endowing you with the power to manifest. Neville Goddard advocates for the extraordinary potential of imagination as a tool to actualize your aspirations. He elucidates that every individual's life emanates from within, and the outcomes one encounters are the fruition of their thoughts. Such is the potency of thoughts that they inevitably materialize the envisioned scenarios. However, akin to any instrument, proficiency in its application is imperative, and Neville imparts this practice to facilitate your mastery. The initial step is to define your desires with utmost precision. Once you've crystallized your aspirations, construct a mental tableau brimming with vivid realism. For instance, if your desire is to acquire a new home despite financial constraints, an opportune moment for this exercise is when you're nestled in bed, just on the cusp of slumber, as you'll be in a state of heightened relaxation and attunement with your imaginative faculties. Envision yourself within the confines of that coveted abode, feel the sensation of your bed nestled in its chambers, and visualize yourself rising from it to place your feet upon the welcoming flooring of your newfound sanctuary. Traverse to the lavatory, turn on the faucet, and experience the touch of water cascading from the taps within your new dwelling. Immerse yourself fully, engaging with the furnishings, drawing open drawers, and peering within. Once you've acquainted yourself intimately with your prospective residence, return to your bedroom, recline in your bed, and surrender to slumber. This same methodology applies whether you seek a fresh professional endeavor or a new vehicle. Visualize the sensations of embarking on your morning commute to that new job, entering through the threshold, and exchanging greetings with your colleagues. Envision yourself excelling in your role and garnering commendation from superiors for your exemplary performance. Similarly, if you desire that new car, envision yourself at the dealership, engaging in conversation with the salesman and experiencing his presentation of the car you covet. Immerse yourself in the scenario, as though the car is already in your possession, and feel the exhilaration of driving it. Feel the plush comfort and savor the scent of that new car. Capture every conceivable detail. As you can see, this technique is applicable to anything within the realm of your imagination. The process remains consistent. Neville emphasizes how he's witnessed wishes materialize and manifest repeatedly through this approach. Most individuals who fall short of attaining their desires often underestimate the potency of deliberate imagination. It transcends mere mental imagery. It entails imbuing it with vivid realism through your senses. The mind doesn't necessitate physical contact to register sensation. When you render it so palpable that your senses are engaged, that's when what you might label a miracle transpires. Although it isn't truly a miracle, you've aligned with your manifesting prowess. Once you've assimilated and internalized this technique, your world and your very essence will undergo a profound transformation. A realm of boundless possibilities will unfurl before you, and you will assume the role of the orchestrator of your own narrative. No resistance will impede you, and you'll possess the capacity to realize all that you desire. It's imperative to grasp that shortcuts won't yield results. If your goal necessitates commitment or action on your part, progress will elude you if you abstain from active involvement. For instance, passing an exam hinges entirely on your willingness to study. Yet, what will unfold is that the exam will align favorably with you. You'll encounter questions within your realm of expertise, access superior study resources, and perhaps they might even extend the exam date to afford you extra preparation time. Many balk at the prospect of investing effort, which ultimately signifies a lack of genuine desire for their goals. You must genuinely adopt the desire as your own, and that entails unwavering commitment. Should you faithfully adhere to the process, the envisioned new home will manifest in the most unforeseen manner. The avenue through which it materializes isn't for you to dictate. The same principle applies to a substantial sum of money. You might receive a lucrative job offer enabling you to purchase it, or perhaps you'll encounter a special individual who acquires it and extends an invitation for you to reside there. Embrace this process, remain vigilant, and welcome life's unfolding. Life possesses an innate wisdom in delivering what you seek. I assure you, if you faithfully execute this technique, remain steadfast in your desire, and refrain from meddling in the manner of its arrival, your fulfillment will materialize much sooner than anticipated. Never lose sight of the fact that you are the architect of your reality, deserving of a life teeming with joy and opulence. Extend gratitude for all that presently graces your life, as well as for the bounties yet to unfold. Allow yourself to bask in the enchantment that envelopes you, and permit gratitude to illuminate each step of your journey. Have faith in yourself and the divine process that accompanies you. You are worthy of the wondrous gifts the universe bestows. Embrace gratitude and receive with arms outstretched, and behold the profound transformation that unfurls in your life. At present, a multitude of devoted channel followers share their testimonials of extraordinary occurrences in their lives. I implore you to contribute a comment detailing a wondrous and magical event that transpired for you, utilizing the techniques advocated on the channel. Your testimony will serve to uplift and embolden others on a similar path towards a more enriching life. Now, I recommend proceeding to the next video to continue your education on how to manifest the life you yearn for. However, before doing so, kindly bestow a like upon this video, activate the notification bell, and if you harbor gratitude for the content you've just absorbed, do consider subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll stay attuned to all forthcoming videos offering insights on how to foster greater abundance. I extend my best wishes for a life replete with prosperity, and I eagerly anticipate reuniting with you in the next video.